hospital is a fortress of life and death. It's protected by guards, cameras, biometric locks. But in 2020, a group of hackers found a way in that no security guard could ever see. They didn't break down the front door. They didn't phish a doctor. They walked right in, through the vending machine. We live in the age of the smart building. To save energy and money, everything is connected. In this hospital, the IT department had locked down the servers. They had locked down the patient records. But the third-party vendor who installed the smart soda machines only cared about monitoring inventory remotely. To get the machine online, they plugged it into the nearest Ethernet port, the same network used by the doctors, the same network used by life support systems. And here's the fatal flaw. The vending machine was running an outdated version of Windows embedded. No firewall, no antivirus, and the password almost certainly still set to default. This is what security experts call the shadow IoT problem. The hospital audits their computers every week. They patch their servers, they fortify their firewalls, but they don't audit the refrigerator. They don't update the MRI machine, and they definitely don't check the soda machine. To them, it's invisible, but to a hacker, it's a neon sign. It runs on a normal operating system, often Windows 7 or even XP, but it never gets updated. And it sits online, 24/7, waiting. The hackers used the machine as a bridge. Once they were inside its tiny computer, they were already behind the hospital's firewall. They moved laterally, quietly, from the snack dispenser to the nurse's station, from the nurse's station to the administration servers. They sat there for days, harvesting patient data, social security numbers, medical histories, everything. The vending machine watched people buy sodas while it silently bled the hospital dry. Then, they pulled the trigger. Ransomware. Imagine the scene. It's 3 a.m. The ER is full. Suddenly, every screen freezes. Patient charts vanish. The pharmacy can't verify dosages. Doctors are forced to switch to pen and paper in the middle of emergencies. This is called code dark. The hackers weren't just stealing data anymore. By crippling these systems, they were holding human lives hostage, all because a smart device was treated like furniture instead of a computer. In the digital underworld, there is no such thing as an innocent device. If it has a chip, it can be a weapon. Check your network. Even the break room is watching.